this road sign is? Nicely recognized. This sign prohibits making U-turns in the area. Guess this traffic sign. Exactly. This is the stop sign. Identify this road sign. Good observation. This is an upcoming traffic light sign. This traffic sign is? Well spotted. This is the railroad crossing crossbuck sign. Name this road sign. Nicely done. This is the pedestrians crossing sign. Name this traffic sign. Great! This is the crosswinds warning sign. This road sign is? Perfect! This is the truck route sign. Guess this road sign. Exactly. This is the bicycle route sign. What is this traffic sign? Nicely recognized. This is the straight-through only sign. Name this road sign. Good observation. This sign warns of a narrow underpass ahead. Identify this road sign. Well spotted. This is the Y intersection sign. This traffic sign is? Exactly. This sign prohibits bicycles on a particular road. What is this road sign? Nicely done. This sign instructs traffic to turn left ahead. Name this traffic sign. Perfect. This is the train station sign. Identify this road sign. Well observed. This is the tow away zone sign. Guess this road sign. Exactly. This is the keep left of obstacles sign. What is this traffic sign? Nicely recognized. This is the motorcycle plaque sign. This road sign is? Good observation. This is the traffic merges from right sign. Identify this road sign. Well spotted. This sign permits pedestrian activity in this area. This traffic sign is? Exactly. This is the added left lane sign. What is this road sign? Nicely done. This is the equestrian sign. This road sign is? Perfect. This sign alerts drivers to hospital in the area. Identify this road sign. Good observation. This sign warns of a rough pavement ahead. Guess this traffic sign. Exactly. This is the right shoulder drop-off ahead sign. Name this road sign. Well spotted. This sign prohibits trucks from making right turns. This traffic sign is? Nicely recognized. This sign permits skaters in the area. Name this road sign. Exactly. This sign prohibits all-terrain vehicles in the area. Identify this traffic sign. Perfect. This is the parking fee station sign. Guess this road sign. Well observed. This is the ramp speed advisory sign. This traffic sign is? Nicely done. This is the hairpin curve right sign. Name this road sign. Exactly. This is the pull-through sign. Identify this traffic sign. Well spotted. This is the food sign. Name this road sign. Nicely recognized. This is the low clearance sign. This traffic sign is? Perfect. This is the storage space symbol sign. Guess this road sign. Exactly. This is the interior lane shift right sign. Identify this traffic sign. Well observed. This is the exit gore no exit number sign. This traffic sign is? Nicely done. This is the side road at an obtuse angle. What is this road sign? Perfect. This is the two-way traffic, 3-lane, to opposite sign. Identify this traffic sign. Well spotted! This sign warns of a crossroad on a right curve. Guess this road sign. Nicely recognized. This sign warns of parallel tracks on crossroads on the left. Congrats, making it to the end. If you are serious about passing the DMV test, hit subscribe and turn on notifications to stay up to date with the latest videos. Keep learning with the videos on your screen. See you in the next video.